Custom-made hammered pure copper round plywood base. Artistic table countertops. These countertops are not only functional, but also true work of art. Copper is a metal that is known for its rich color and shiny finish. It has been used for centuries for its electrical and thermal conductivity. When hammered, the copper becomes textured and gives it a unique, industrial look. The plywood base adds strength and durability to these countertops, making them perfect for any kitchen or dining area. This combination creates a visually stunning tabletop that is both eye-catching and functional. The natural properties of copper also make it an excellent choice for those who value health and sustainability. Copper does not release harmful chemicals into the food or water, and it is naturally antibacterial. These countertops are custom-made to fit your specific needs and preferences. You can choose the size, shape, and location of the hammered copper patterns, as well as the type of plywood base. Our team of skilled craftsmen will work closely with you to ensure that the final product meets your expectations. In conclusion, custom-made hammered pure copper round plywood base artistic table countertops are a perfect combination of style and functionality. They bring a unique, artistic touch to your home and provide a high-quality surface for cooking, dining, and entertaining. So, if you're looking for something truly special and unique, consider these countertops for your next project.